Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the last video on evaluating expressions. Here we have a really unique expression. It's an expression made completely of variables. Wow. Oh my gosh. So cool, right? You might think, wow, this is going to be really complicated. But no, it's not, my folks. We just follow the same steps. Plug in. And then step 2, solve. Using what else? PEMDAS. Right? And PEMDAS specifically, the thing that helps us out a lot is making sure we work left to right. So let's see. Let's plug this in. Notice I don't have any addition signs, subtraction signs, division signs, multiplication signs. I don't have anything in there. I've just got 3 letters, B, P, M, right next to each other. And maybe you remember from our last video, if I don't have any sign, it's multiplication. So this is going to be B times P times M. All right? So keep that in mind while you pause the video and try and plug this in on your own. Okay, welcome back. I'm glad you tried. Let's see if you got it right. Let's plug in the 3 for this B. And then remember, this is B times P, so I'm going to put some parentheses here. B times P is 2. There we go. P is 2, so 3 times 2. And then I'm going to put some more parentheses as I plug in this M right here. So I end up with the expression 3 times 2 times 4. Not 324, 3 times 2 times 4. So let's work on it with PEMDAS. Again, PEMDAS. Any parentheses, technically, but not in the sense of an expression within parentheses, so no. Any exponents? No. Any multiplication or division? Well, yes, there is. I've got 3 terms here, and 2 of them are being multiplied. So let's see how that works. Always work left to right, so I'm going to start with 3 times 2, which is 6, right? And so I'll end up with 6 times 4. Bring that down, and 6 times 4 is just 24. And that's my final answer, folks. 24. Now let me show you one more time what not to do. What not to do. Some people will see this BPM, which stands for beats per minute, by the way, when you're talking about music, or heartbeats. BPM. And they'll say to themselves, sweet, okay, this is really easy. There's no addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. All I have to do is plug these numbers in. Okay, B is 3, P is 2, M is 4. My answer is 324. Gotta remember, folks. You gotta remember. If you don't see any operations, that's what these things are called, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If you don't see any operations, by default, your brain should go, that's multiplication. This isn't 324, this is 3 times 2 times 4. This isn't B 100, P in the tens place, M in the ones place. It's B times P times M. If you can keep that in mind, and you can remember PEMDAS, working left to right, you will never get another one of these wrong. I hope these 4 videos were helpful to you. Please come in and see me. Let's schedule a concept check-in so that you can get a mastery score on this and increase your grade sooner rather than later. Until then, folks.